What's good, YouTube? I'm back again with another video. This is KrapQuiz_SA. Zizokhala zotete zoba kula speaker bafethu bona usathi bifokole re tla ba founela bafethu lalela. I can hear my sister here ke malutela ausi
ke na Dineo.
Okay, Dineo. Okay, I like that. Dineo, are you ready for KrapQuiz?
I am very ready.
Okay, Dineo, first question. What has 4 legs but cannot walk?
Yeah, this one is a real death.
I think a bird for me.
What? Bird has 4 legs?
Yes, it does have 4 legs.
What?
4 legs?
Yes.
4 legs?
Yes.
What?
4 legs but cannot walk. There's nothing that has 4 legs and cannot walk.
They're easy.
What is that? As I'm saying, it's a bird. A bird can only fly. It cannot walk.
I'm not talking about toes, I'm talking about legs.
Yes, it does have 4 legs.
Should I ask the last one?
Yes, you can go ahead.
I can see got that confidence about them faith. Hey, she's willing to answer all these quiz, you know what I mean? Okay, the last question.
Go, where's the phone? Mind you,
Dineo. A man once said he never slept for 25 days.
Yes.
How is that possible?
I mean, on 100 rand. How takes rank?
It's very impossible. Very impossible.
Why?
For 25 days of no sleep. You're gonna die, dude. You're gonna die. No.
Okay, I like that. You know, Bafethu, this is KrapQuiz_SA. If you got answers, please don't forget to comment on the below section, Bafethu. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, Bafethu. Chopes Gwenye, Tula.